Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz Fahami Mansur. Today, I would like to talk about current technology on automotive engine, and we are from Group B. Our group consists 4 members, which is me, Muhammad Faiz Fahami Mansur, and Muhammad Amizan bin Rasli, Muhammad Afiq Aizat bin Encik Azman, Muhammad Zafran bin Zairoi. For the first one is in introduction and history. Internal combustion engine power practically all vehicles visible on the road, from automobile and motorbike on the road to aircraft in the sky and ship at the sea. This engine is the replacement for traditional engine or external combustion engine. The primary distinction between steam engine and combustion engine is that the latter, the fuel is combusted on the inside by repeated ignition with the generate gases moving the piston. Etienne Lenoir invented the first commercially viable internal combustion engine in 1860, making it the benchmark year in the history of internal combustion engine.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amizan bin Rasli. My metric number is B0920100341. And for the next slide, I will explain the theory of operation. How sky active engine achieve higher air-fuel ratio than other conventional internal combustion engine. This is accomplished by a brand new innovation known as homogeneous charge compression ignition (HCCI), in which the air-fuel mixture ignites spontaneously when compressed by a smaller separate ignite charge of fuel. This engine uses a spark to ignite only a small amount of the fuel-air mixture in the cylinder. This raises the temperature and pressure so that the remaining air-fuel mix ignite under pressure like a diesel engine, burning faster and more completely than in other conventional engine. High compression engine lead to engine knocking. How they prevent the engine from knocking? By using 4-to-1 exhaust system, cavity piston, multi-hole injector and other innovation enable the high compression ratio. The manifold aims to increase the efficiency by separating the pressure caused by the individual cylinder. The overall reduce the interference of pressure between the cylinder can increase the speed of the exhaust gas release.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zafran bin Zairoi. My metric number is B092010-260. So in this video, I will tell about a theory of operation on how it can improve engine operation. So in order to handle ignition problem caused by compression ignition, each cylinder also incorporates a spark plug featuring spark controlled compression ignition, or we call it as SPCCI technology. So SPCCI works by drawing in a lean, homogeneous air-fuel mixture. When compressed, it can compress the mixture until it approaches the point at which it will spontaneously detonate. A small Roots-type supercharger further expands the compression ignition operating window by feeding more air into the engine, leaning out the mixture sufficiently for compression ignition even at higher speeds. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afiq Aizat bin Encik Azman. For the advantage of Sky Active is it can improve fuel efficiency. Sky Active primarily increase the compression ratio of the engine and install parts that make that possible. Currently, the majority of Sky Active engine operate at a 40 and 1 compression ratio. This allows for richer mixture and therefore harnessing more energy from the fuel. Second advantage is improved torque and power of engine. The 41 compression ratio of the Skyactiv G gas engine is a record breaking value for a gasoline engine used in mass manufacturing. With a 15% increase in fuel efficiency and torque, the engine is able to give excellent fuel economy in addition to better performance. In particular, torque performance is improved at low and medium speeds. For the advantage of Skyactiv is Skyactiv can affect poor tuner engine. The high compression ratio make the modification like turbo potentially hazard. Aftermarket modification is to the engine without professional input are ill-advised. Less hazard modes like a cold air intake don't provide much add power, again because of the already high compression ratio. Improvement that we should do to Skyactiv is upgrade the camshaft. Some Skyactiv G engine respond better to extreme camshaft duration than other. Ability to increase power will depend on ECU map, injector, and fuel pump, among other factors. On most engines, the exhaust and intake valve duration do not have to match, although most cams and tuner utilize matched pair. A longer valve duration can change the power range. Extending the intake and exhaust duration has various benefits. The power output of the engine is significantly influenced by the camshaft profile. Hence, camshaft change make a significant effect. Less power gains are possible with camshaft upgrade, since the selected camshaft profile will change the intake and exhaust duration.